Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy A41 and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Face Unlock not working. So, at first you need to unlock your phone, normally without Face Unlock of course. So once you did that, you need to take yourself a microfiber cloth. Here you need to clean the area of the camera, clean the front camera lens, and this cloth needs to be soft and dry. It doesn't have to be a microfiber one, however it has to be soft and dry one. So once you did that, you can make sure it does work. Here, as you can see, mine doesn't want to work because I've got bad lighting conditions. And once we are here, I need to tell you about lighting conditions. You need to ensure good lighting during the setup and use. You need to have all the lights turned on, or maybe a flash, I don't know. It needs to be turned on. If it doesn't want to work still, you need to enter the settings. Here you need to scroll down to the biometrics and security and tap face recognition. Enter your lock screen password and tap remove face data. Remove. And now you need to make sure that all the lights are turned on. Enable face unlock, continue, and register your face. You need to put your face in this circle, and now we've got our face registered. Let's see if it works. It does. That's it. Bye.